it's no secret that Senator Judges Alan Peter Cayetano and Pia Cayetano have been critical of NBI Director Melvin Matibag way before he takes the stand later on today. What changes or adjustments were made during your witness prep to make sure that your witness, or in the event that the senator judges become critical when it comes to questioning your witness, like this afternoon?
Well, I would like to speak for the team that is in charge of the grave threats. So hindi po ako directly involved doon. But I know that they have done all the preparations necessary for the presentation of their evidence. At mamaya, palagay ko, panunuorin natin lahat yan kung paano nga ilalatag ng prosecution ang pagtestigo ni Director Matibag. Jay?
So, Katrina, I think what's clear is whatever grievances or issues that they may seem to have, no, against Director Matibag, it appears these matters are completely separate from the issues at hand, no? Kung ano itong magiging laman ng kanyang testimonya, which is again yung masusing investigasyon na ginawa ng NBI paukol dito sa pagbabantang ginawa ng Vice Presidente laban sa Presidente. So, of course, we respect their right to pose any questions that they think may be appropriate to the witness. No? But at the same time, naniniwala kami, mahalaga dito yung magiging testimonya niya. No? Paukol dito. Dahil ito naman yung magiging relevant and material dito sa impeachment proceedings na ito.
Sir, but do you expect the lines of questioning to be tougher, perhaps leaning more on the political side of things rather than the actual merits of the case, given the predisposition of the siblings earlier this week?
Palagay ko yun ang isang pagkaiba sa questions propounded in a regular court and questions propounded in an impeachment court. Wala naman limit ang maaring itanong ng mga senator judge, maliban lang kung meron tututol sa kanila na ibang one of the other judges. So we'll have to wait and see. And I think we will all be witness to something later on.
Last question from my end. When you say na abangan nyo yung magiging testimony ni Melvin Matibag, we have to see later on, will he be pardon if this was already asked in previous press conferences, will he be identifying the hitman, the alleged hitman that the Vice President has contracted?
As I've said yesterday, you wouldn't want to miss his testimony this afternoon. So let's wait for it.
All right. Any other questions? Right. Kung wala na kayong katanungan, let's give each of our guests the chance for their parting words to conclude this morning's press conference.
Well, again, we can't overemphasize the need for everyone. And yung request ho namin sa lahat ng kababayan natin, subaybayan ho natin itong paglilitis na to, napaka-importante ho nito. No? At sa gayon ho, para kapag nagkaroon ho tayo ng desisyon, ng opinion, ng paghahatol, kung guilty or not guilty, dito sa impeachment proceedings na itong Vice Presidente, nakabatay siya sa ebidensya na mapapanood natin, mapapakita natin dito sa paglilitis na to. So napaka-importante din ho, again, nung magiging testimonya mamaya, ito ho yung magtatahi-tahi sa lahat ng ebidensya na napresenta namin paukol dito sa grave threats. So maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa media. Ang wish ko sa inyo ay pag natapos itong impeachment trial, magagaling na rin kayo mga lawyer. Thank you.